Hello and welcome back to another day of Nextdoor Business Automation. Today I'm going to review another business opportunity that you can very easily set up in your area. And we're going to address the niche of car detailing, where you can have an unlimited resource of marketing material where you make small videos of your work. This is an example that I've seen on one of my customers' profile. It's very easy to film, very easy to set up, and you don't need to actually make too complicated videos. Just film yourself on your everyday basis each time you're doing a job. And I guess you don't do every day the same thing, so you'll have really unlimited videos to show. Remember, don't make only videos. Share tips, share the insight of people, what people don't know about, share funny stories. And if you lack inventivity, you have a very huge source of video material that you can get inspiration from. You just go on YouTube or any other social platform and you type car detailings, and here are some shorts example. You don't need to make it very long. Share value. You explain your process. You show the before and after status of your works, and it has always it bring always satisfaction to the viewers. Here, for example, you can see clearly the difference of before and after the work has been applied. Then you can also upsell if there are some cases, specific services or specific material to your customers. And I suggest you create a group, let's say car detailing in Boise, Idaho. That will be a very specific thematized group. People who are interested in your services will find you very easily. Maybe they don't need your services this week, but in 3 weeks from now they will remember Mike, the car auto detailing in Boise, Idaho, is the guy to go to when I need to have to refresh and clean my pickup who's been going through the woods and so on. And yeah, that's what I wanted to say today. I'm Eric, specializing in Nextdoor automation. We help you spend more time with your customer, delivering service to your customer, and we organize the auto publication of your activities on Nextdoor. We make sure that you have a proper conversion funnel set up in place in your area, so that you have the maximum exposure and get regular leads for your business. And you see some more satisfying videos all year long. You can have plenty, and you don't need to invest in a lot of material to do that. Your iPhone will do exactly the job for you. You may film a long let your phone make a long video, and after that you can go on easy and free video software, editing software like CapCut. Very easy to put subtitles, also add some music, and make shorts from your activity. And you see, it's unlimited IDs. Also, if you like IDs to have post every day, you can follow one of the links I will leave under this video, where I will give you a kind of calendar, yearly calendar. Whenever you're lacking an ID for a week, I'll give you some ideas what to post depending on the time of the year. That's an additional resource. You can make fun videos if you have the touch for that. But basically, share value with people and you will get your leads in no time. And remember, if people watch your videos and appreciate, try to engage your audience. If they don't need your service today, they will remember for sure that in 3 weeks from now, you're the one to contact for good service for their car. And that's it for now. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, leave them below. I will answer them with pleasure in a future video. Leave a like or dislike, and don't forget to subscribe for more built-in public videos, reviews, and more future business ideas. See you. Bye bye.